In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best gaming laptops under $1,000, based on their specs, user experience, and value for money. Number 1. Acer Nitro V Gaming Laptop. Why you should buy it. The Acer Nitro V gaming laptop is a fantastic choice for gamers on a budget. It boasts a powerful Intel Core i7-13620H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU, ensuring smooth gameplay even for the most demanding titles. The 15.6 inches FHD IPS 144Hz display delivers stunning visuals, while the 16GB DDR5 RAM and 512GB General 4 SSD provide ample storage for your games and files. The backlit keyboard is perfect for late-night gaming sessions, and the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity ensures a fast and reliable internet connection. User experience. Users have raved about the Acer Nitro V's performance, especially for its price range. The laptop handles demanding games like a breeze, and the display is vibrant and responsive. The build quality is solid, and the keyboard feels comfortable to type on. Some users have noted that the laptop can get a bit warm during intense gaming sessions, but this is to be expected for a gaming laptop in this price range. Number 2. Asus TUF Gaming A15. Why you should buy it. The Asus TUF Gaming A15 is another excellent option for gamers on a budget. It features a powerful AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, providing solid performance for most games. The 15.6 inches FHD 144Hz display is great for fast-paced games, and the 8GB DDR5 RAM and 512GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD offer ample storage. The TUF Gaming A15 is known for its durability and rugged design, making it a great choice for gamers who are rough on their equipment. User experience. Users have praised the Asus TUF Gaming A15 for its durability and performance. The laptop is built like a tank and can withstand the rigors of everyday use. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the display is bright and clear. Some users have noted that the laptop can get a bit loud under heavy load, but this is a minor trade-off for the powerful performance it offers. Number 3. MSI Thin 15 Gaming Laptop. Why you should buy it. The MSI Thin 15 is a great choice for gamers who want a slim and lightweight laptop. It features an Intel Core i7-12650H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, providing excellent performance for gaming and other demanding tasks. The 15.6 inches 144Hz FHD display is great for fast-paced games, and the 16GB DDR5 RAM and 512GB NVMe SSD offer ample storage. The MSI Thin 15 also features Cooler Boost 5 technology, which helps to keep the laptop cool and quiet even under heavy load. User experience. Users have praised the MSI Thin 15 for its sleek design and powerful performance. The laptop is very thin and light, making it easy to carry around. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the display is vibrant and clear. Some users have noted that the battery life could be better, but this is to be expected for a gaming laptop with such powerful hardware. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Why you should buy it. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 is a great entry-level gaming laptop that offers excellent value for money. It features an AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, providing solid performance for most games. The 15.6 inches FHD 120Hz display is great for fast-paced games, and the 8GB DDR5 RAM and 256GB NVMe SSD offer ample storage. The IdeaPad Gaming 3 is a great choice for gamers who are looking for a reliable and affordable laptop. User experience. Users have praised the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 for its performance and affordability. The laptop is very capable for its price range and can handle most modern games without any issues. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the display is bright and clear. Some users have noted that the build quality could be better, but this is to be expected for a laptop in this price range. Number 5. Gigabyte Aorus 7. Why you should buy it. The Gigabyte Aorus 7 is a high-end gaming laptop that offers exceptional performance and features. It features an Intel Core i5-12500H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU, providing incredible performance for even the most demanding games. The 17.3 inches FHD 360Hz display is perfect for competitive gamers, and the 16GB DDR4 DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD offer ample storage. The Aorus 7 also features a sleek and stylish design, making it a great choice for gamers who want a high-quality laptop that looks as good as it performs. User experience. Users have praised the Gigabyte Aorus 7 for its incredible performance and stunning visuals. The laptop is a beast when it comes to gaming, and the 360Hz display provides a competitive edge. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the build quality is excellent. Some users have noted that the laptop can get quite hot under heavy load, but this is to be expected for a laptop with such powerful hardware.